Hello students, welcome to my channel. Multiple integrals changing the order. Evaluate integration 0 to a integral x square by a to 2a minus x. xy dy dx by changing the order of integration. Here y limit is x square by a and 2a minus x. Y limit x square by a and 2a minus x. Y limit is x square by a to 2a minus x. From 2. X square by a to from x square by a to 2a minus x. Y limit. X square by a to 2a minus x. X limit. This is x limit. X limit 0 to a. X limit 0 to a. X limit 0 to a. Y is equal to x square by a. Y is equal to x square by a. Cross multiplying. X square equal to ay. X square equal to ay. X square equal to ay. So x is equal to ay whole root. Ay whole root. Next line equation 2a minus x. Y is equal to 2a minus x. Y is equal to 2a minus x. X plus y is equal to 2a. X plus y is equal to 2a. X plus y equal to 2a. This line equation. X is equal to 2a minus y. 2a minus y. X is equal to 2a minus y. Now the limit changes. New limit is 0 to root ay. First region. This is the first region. Limit 0 to root ay. 0 to root ay. X limit is 0 to root ay. X limit 0. X limit root ay. This is parabola equation. 0 to root ay. Y limit is 0 to a. Y limit is 0 to a. Y limit 0 to a. X limit 0 to root ay. Second region X limit is X limit is 2a minus y. X limit is 2a minus y. 0 to 2a minus y. X limit 0 to 2a minus y. Y limit a to 2a. Y limit is a to 2a. First region, second region. Combine the two regions R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. R1. Integration 0 to a, 0 to ay whole root xy dx dy. First, integrating with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x. Y is constant. X dx integration x square by 2. Limit 0 to ay. Limit 0 to ay dy. 0 to a y 1 by 2. Taking 1 by 2 outside. Y x square. Put ay root ay instead of x. Root ay square ay dy. 1 by 2 0 to a y square. A into y square dy. Y square dy. A by 2 is constant. Y square dy integration y cube by 3. Now we substitute 0 to a by 2. Put y is equal to a cube by 3. Lower limit is 0. So answer a power 4 by 6. A to the power 4 by 6. First region answer is a to the power 4 by 6. Second region with respect to x, y is constant. Similarly, a to a integrating with respect to x, y constant, x dx integration x square by 2. X dx integration x square by 2. Lower limit, upper limit. dy. A to 2a. Y 1 by 2. Taking 1 by 2 outside. X square. X square means 2a minus y whole square. 2a minus y whole square dy. 1 by 2 a to a. This is a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 2, 4ay. 2 into ab. 2 into 2a, 4a into y, 4y into dy. 1 by 2, a to 2a. Multiply by y. 4a square y plus y cube minus 4a y square. By multiplying by y, 4a square y plus y cube minus 4a y square into dy. Now we integrate with respect to y. 4a square is constant, y integration y square by 2, y cube integration y power 4 by 4 minus 4a constant, y square integration y cube by 3. Limit a to a. One by 2. First upper limit 2a. 4a square y 2a. Substitute 2a instead of y whole square by 2 plus y value 2a. 2a whole power 4 by 4 minus 4a 2a whole cube by 3. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit 4a square this is a square by 2 plus 8 power 4 this is a power 4 by 4 minus 4a here a cube by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 2 multiply 4a square y plus y cube minus 4a y square into dy. Integrating with respect to y. 4a square constant, y integration y square by 2, y cube integration y power 4 by 4, y square integration 4a constant y cube by 3. Limit 0 to 2a. First we substitute upper limit. 4a square 2a whole square plus 2a to the power 4 by 4 minus 4a 2a power 3 by 3 minus lower limit. Lower limit a. 4a square plus a power 4 minus 4a power 3 divided by 3. By simplifying 4a square into 4a square. This is 4a square into 4a square. 16a power 4. 4 4s are 16. A power 4 by 2. 16a power 4 by 2. 1 by 2. 16a power 4 divided by 2 plus 2 to the power 4. 16a power 4 by 4. 16a power 4 by 4. 16a power 4 by 4. 2 cube 8. 8a cube. 8 4s are 32. 32 8 power 32 a power 4 by 3. 32 a power 4 by 3. This upper limit minus lower limit. 4a power 4 by 2. 4a power 4 by 2 plus a power 4 by 4. A power 4 by 4 minus 4a power 4 by 3. Minus 4a power 4 by 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 2 common. First we take LCM. 12 common LCM. 12 is common. 6 times, 3 times, 4 times. 6 times. 96 a power 4. 6 2s are 12. 6 times. 3 times. 3 4s are 12. 3 into 16. 48 a power 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 times. 128. 128 a power 4. Upper limit minus lower limit 12 common LCM 6 times 12 6 4s are 24 24 a power 4 3 times 3 4s are 12 3 a power 4 4 3s are 12 16 4 4s are 16 a power 4 96 plus 48 minus 128 so 96 plus 48 144 144 minus 128 144 minus 128 16 so total value is 16 total 16 16 a power 4 by 12 here 27 a power 4 minus 16 24 minus 16 24 24 plus 3 27 27 by 6 27 16 11 27 minus 16 11 a power 4 minus 11 a power 4 by 12 equal to 1 by 2 12 common 12 is common 16 minus 11 5 a power 4 5 a power 4 5 a power 4 divided by 24 5 a power 4 divided by 24 2 into 12 24 R2 is equal to 5 a power 4 by 24 R1 plus R2 combining R1 and R2 R1 value a power 4 by 6 plus 5 a power 4 by 24 common LCM 24 4 6 are 24 4 times 4 a power 4 plus 5 a power 4 4 plus 5 9 a power 4 by 24 3 times 3 3s are 9 8 3s so 3 a power 4 by 8 final answer 3 a power 4 by 8 thank you